helpful. A loud crying noise was coming out of a small cave near a lake. Polly lived nearby and was worried about who it was and what might be wrong with. Though scared, yet she decided to check on whoever it was. Carefully, she left her own cave and slowly walked towards the noise. It was the deep part of the forest. Even the moonlight couldn't reach the spot where Polly was walking. She stopped and wondered if it was worth all the risk to help a stranger. She decided to walk anyway. The moment she entered the dark cave, she was shocked to see that the crying was coming from her own sister. Trapped and injured, she had been crying for help. Hugging and kissing, she helped her sister out and made a resolution to continue being helpful. A good deed. Once upon a time, there was a young dinosaur, Sam. On his way to school, one morning, he noticed a baby dinosaur stuck in a stream. Quickly, he threw a long tree branch and rescued her. Panting for air, the dinosaur thanked Sam. Then Sam was back on his way to school. A few days later, he saw the same baby dinosaur jumping around, yelling, trying to grab his attention. Sam rushed to her immediately and asked what was wrong. She told Sam that a ferocious T-Rex had been following him for days and was about to attack when she made him rush to her side. She told Sam how she had been following him ever since she understood the T-Rex's plan. She took it as her duty to help him since he saved her life. No good deed should go unrewarded. Teamwork. One bright sunny morning, a group of young dinosaurs was playing together, running around and chasing one another. Suddenly, one of them fell in a ditch nearby. The poor baby dinosaur tried his best to escape but failed each time and started crying. All his friends tried to motivate him, ordered to try harder, but nothing seemed to work. Each of them gave his best to help him in his own way but failed, until one of them had a bright idea. Moving towards the group, she appealed to everyone to work together and attempt the rescue. Together, they devised the plan to hold claws and tails and lower themselves down the ditch until they reached their trapped friend. The plan worked wonderfully. They successfully rescued their friend and realized how problems dissolve quickly when everyone works on them as a team and not individually. Making friends. Anna was an intelligent, kind, and shy dinosaur. She had the brightest ideas and the most interesting conversations, but couldn't seem to make any friends. Whenever she talked to someone her age, he'd get bored because Anna talked of things that she'd read in books, but that didn't interest the kids of her age. Disappointed and hurt, Anna decided to stop reading new things and sharing them, just to make some friends. Each day spent without reading made Anna sadder and sadder, until one day, while walking past a bookstore, she bumped into a little dinosaur carrying Anna's favorite book. Excited, Anna started asking questions and got all the answers with equal vigor. There, Anna made her first ever friend, and she didn't have to change herself a bit.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.